Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Zenless Zone Zero not launching problem. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of three steps. First step is to use a dedicated GPU. To do this, go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open the graphics settings. Select browse. You just need to go to this PC, local disk C, program files, find Epic Games, Zenless Zone Zero, and find games folder, Zenless Zone Zero game folder. Click on the Zenless Zone Zero.exe application file and select add. After adding the game, select options and select high performance over here and select save. After that, just to close stuff here. The second step is to update the graphics card. To do this, for NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. If you not have a GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just to close tab here. The third step is to launch the game using DirectX 11. To do this, you just need to open the Epic Games, go to library, select the three dot icon next to the Zenless Zone and select manage, and you just need to select open install location. Double click on the games folder, double click on the Zenless Zero game folder. Now find the Zenless Zero.exe and right click on it. Select show more options and select send it to desktop create shortcut, and after that just to close stuff here. Now you just need to right click on the shortcut file and select properties. Now you just need to check my video description for this text used in my video, just to copy it, and after that in target you just need to go in the end and type space and paste this text, and after that select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can launch the game using this shortcut and check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.